Here we are at the state park in Miami, North Miami. But when you get over here, check out those hotels. Well, condos. I'm not sure. But this is just on the deck here. There's the canoes and kayaks. There's some more down there. And you see those racks over there. That first one, plus the canoes there, that's 60 kayaks right there. Now that next rack's a little bit bigger, but still 60 kayaks. And you keep looking around here, a lot of picnic tables. The other side of the observation deck. Truck's way down yonder, can't even see it.